Hello everyone, I am Ashwini Saurabh Mintras from Department of Statistics, RBNB College, Sriram. So, in my last lecture, I have teach the moment generating function and the definition was mxt is equals to expected e raised to px. So, this is the definition and we will calculate it as integration of e raised to px f of x dx. Here x is a continuous random variable and that's why we are taking its integration. We have solved one example and find out the moments for that using the expansion method of MGF. So there are two methods to calculate the moments from MGF. So the first method is expansion method and second method is the differentiation method. We can also differentiate the given mxt and putting at t equal to 0 and we will get our moments. So that was the two methods of MGF. So let's see some properties of MGF. So the first property of MGF is mx of 0 is equals to 1. So let's see its proof. So by definition, we can write mx0 as expectation of e raised to this 0 into x. So that's why this expectation of e raised to 0 is a 1. That's why expectation of a constant term is a constant itself, it is equal to 1. Hence the proof of this first property. Let's see the second property, which is effect of change of origin and scale on MGF. So if we add any constant a to x, then what will happen to MGF? m a plus x of t. So here the constant a is added to point x. So let's see from the definition, we can write it as expectation of e raised to this a plus x into t, and we can further solve it as expectation of e raised to at plus xt. So this will, I can write expectation of e raised to at into e raised to xt. Here the base is same and the powers are added, that's why I have written in this form. So this is a constant term and we can take outside the expectation because we know the properties of expectation that it gets affected by effect of change of origin and scale. So this is e raised to at into expectation of e raised to xt. So what is this term? So this is the MGF of x, that is mxt. So here we have proved that ma plus xt equals to e raised to at into mxt. So from this relation we can see that the MGF is affected by change of origin. So let's see what happens if we change the scale by any constant c. So in the second property itself we will prove the next, that is effect of change of scale. Write its cxt equal to, so let's see what will happen here. So by definition I can write expectation of e raised to cx into t. Here x should be written capital. Okay. So this I can write as e raised to ct into x. So I have changed just arrangement. So what is this? This is m at ct of x, or I can write it as m ct of x, or here it can be written as mx of ct. Okay, so here I can say that the MGF is affected by change of scale. So here we proved that MGF is affected by change of scale. Let's see what happens if both the origin and scale are changed at a time. M a plus bx of t. Let's solve this. So this is expectation of e raised to a plus bx into t. I have used the definition. So it is expectation of, let's solve this, e raised to at into e raised to bxt. Okay, then I can take this constant term outside, and expectation of e raised to, I can write this as x into bt. So what is this term? This is again mx of bt. So I will get the final answer. I will write down here, that is, it is e raised to at into mx of bt. So here this is the second property of MGF, that is, it is affected by change of origin and change of scale. So let's move to the third property of MGF. Suppose we have two continuous random variables x and y, and we are given that they are independent. Then what will happen to MGF? So this is the third property, that mx plus y of t. So its answer is actually mxt into plus my. So let's solve this, or let's take a proof. Actually it is a multiply sign. Okay, and proof is, let's use our definition of MGF. Mx plus y of t, we can write in this form e raised to x plus y into t. Again we can solve this, e raised to xt into e raised to yt. Further, if x and y are independent, then I can write as e raised to xt into expectation of e raised to yt. So what is this? This is again the MGF. So we have proved it. This is mx of t into my of t. So here, if x and y are independent random variables, then MGF of their addition will be multiplication of their individual MGFs. So this is the third property of moment generating function. Let's see the fourth property. The fourth property is uniqueness property. But here there is only statement that for a continuous random variable there is a unique MGF exists. So this statement is only there for you. The fourth property is, for a continuous random variable x, the unique MGF exists. Okay, so this is all about the properties of MGF. Let's use these properties for the last example. So suppose I have random variable x having PDF f of x 2 into e raised to minus 2x and x is greater than 0, So this is the given PDF and I want to find mx of 3t. So suppose I want to find this, or I can write it as m of 3xt. So let's first find its MGF, then we will use the properties and write down this. Okay, so let's find its MGF. So mxt, this will be by definition expected e raised to tx, integration of e raised to tx into this f of x dx. I am writing here, so e raised to minus 2x dx, it is 0 to infinity. We can write this as integration e raised to, if I take x minus x common here, then it will be 2 minus t dx, and again 2 into integration of this term is minus x 2 minus t. Again I have to write minus 2 minus t here from 0 to infinity. Because of the negative sign, I will inverse the limits and we will finally get 2 upon 2 minus t. Because e raised to 0 is 1 and e raised to minus infinity is 0. We can put lower limit, upper limit and solve this. So this can be written in this form. So 1 minus t upon 2 bracket raised to minus 1. Actually this example were taken in MGF itself. That's why I have taken it in the short period. So this is the MGF and we will find out m3x of t. So here we use the property, it is mx of 3t. So I will just replace this t by 3t in the our finded MGF. So m3x of t will be 1 minus 3t divided by 2 bracket raised to minus 1. So this is all about the MGF and its properties.